Hello everyone! In this video, I'll demonstrate an original rib stitch that is extremely easy to execute and features an appealing waffle-like appearance, attractive texture, and delicate relief. We will use a technique that involves crossing two stitches over each other with a slope to the right. The pattern consists of 3 stitches and 2 rows. We begin with several stitches, which should be a multiple of 3 plus 2 edge stitches. Initially, we will knit a 0 row on the wrong side. Let's begin with the initial row. Slip the edge loop first. Then knit 1, purl 1, and knit 1. Again, knit 1, purl 1, and knit 1. Until the end of the row, knit 1, purl 1, and knit 1. The first row starts on the right side. Begin by slipping the edge loop. Then purl 1. Next are 2 stitches, 1 knit and 1 purl. Slip the second loop by passing it over the first. Then knit the first. Again, purl 1, slip the second loop by passing it over the first. Then knit the first. The second row is on the wrong side. Start by slipping the edge loop. Then knit 1, purl 1, and knit 1. Again, knit 1, purl 1, and knit 1. Until the end of the row, knit 1, purl 1, and knit 1. Repeat these 2 rows until you reach your desired length. This technique will create a unique knitted fabric with a distinctive texture, making it suitable for any season and any type of yarn. It is beginner-friendly and perfect for creating clothing and accessories throughout the year. I hope this information helps with your future projects, and I highly recommend giving it a try. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click my Knit Not Space Shop icon to see my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.